Here I am conducting a data hall inspection on another data center project. Over the past few days, the electrical containment has been installed, making this the ideal time to verify if the site team's work aligns with the design. Firstly, I am using the section box tool to adjust the latest electrical design models, focusing on the areas where I will be carrying out the inspection. I noticed that the containment has not been installed according to the design model. Consequently, I raised the issue directly from the site, which will automatically sync with the quality dashboard. Both the client and the general contractor will be notified of this issue and be able to carry out a virtual inspection. It is likely that the containment will remain as it's been installed, because the site team has identified a way to reduce costs in electrical containment and cabling with this new installation. Our role here will be to ensure that this modification does not negatively impact other services that will be installed later.